Well, we were at the county fair. My cousins were showing their goats and rabbits today. And about 3:45, so about 15 minutes ago, my dad called and said, "Hey, I want to combine beans today." So come home and set up the computer. So that's what I'm doing. I stopped at home to grab the GoPro. And now I'm gonna go set up the monitor on the combine so we can start cutting some beans. We're not gonna be cutting here, we'll be cutting at the farm, but mine at my house are about ready as well. So harvest 2020 has begun. It could get crazy. Say hi, Callie. Say hi. Okay, so first things, we're gonna check the oil. Pull that little thing. Lift this ladder up. Open this door. Check the dipstick out. Looks like it needs a little bit of oil. So we're gonna add that in. And my dad went to get some hydraulic oil because he thought it needed a little bit of that too. So we're gonna do those couple things, and then we're gonna hook up to the head, and I think we're gonna get rolling. So right here is the hydraulic oil. Looks pretty thirsty. So we're gonna do those couple things, and then we're gonna get moving. This is an exciting time of year. We get to see all of our hard work pay off or not pay off, depending what field most likely. We were pretty dry through the majority of late July, until August, mid-August. So we were pretty dry for a while. Hopefully it didn't hurt us too bad, but I have a feeling in our more gravelly ground that it's gonna show up pretty big. So we'll see. So you can see the grain bin opening up. One-handed I am. Probably not very good at all. So you gotta hook up the PTO and then the quick hydraulic thing. And you close this up. That's all she wrote. Hopefully we're ready to go. Dad's excited to make his YouTube debut. Are you excited, Marty? Hopefully I set up the computer correctly.
Well, we'll find out here shortly.
And we're started. it's still kind of green. That was just Dad emptying out the planter when he was planting the test plot. They will mix in with these dry beans and it won't cause any problems. John Deere 35-foot draper head for our soybean and wheat head. Belts down there, they bring all the soybeans into the middle and then send it back through the feeder house. Okay. Well, I went to get the truck. We aren't getting much done tonight. We had a, minor mishap within the first 10 minutes of cutting the beans, but that's okay. It happens, right? Does it happen to everybody or just to us? I'm not quite sure. I hope everybody. If it was just us, I'd feel really bad. But I think Dad's just gonna cut probably a bin full on the combine and then see what tomorrow brings. We have the county fair auction tomorrow, so I'm not sure if we'll get any cut tomorrow or not, but right now I'm just untarping the truck so he can dump into it. He's out there. You can see him way over there. But this field's what is here? 27 acre field, 23 acre field, somewhere in there. So it doesn't take long, but we do have our test plot in this field, so that takes the longest amount of time. It's kind of a pain in the neck, but we like seeing what all of our different varieties do, so we know what to plant the following year. So I'm just gonna unroll this guy and then call Dad and see if he wants me to hang out or go home. So thanks for watching. Have a good night. Will he or won't he cut some more? I'm going to say he's gonna be done for the night. Beans must be getting a little tough. So we will start back Thursday morning. Our county fair, like I said, our county fair auctions tomorrow, and we like to go support the kids, support customers that work with us and deal with us, so show them some gratitude, I guess you would say, for doing business with us. So we'll go do that tomorrow, and then we'll get back at it on Thursday. So we'll see you then.